Hello Glamours and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming DIY future videos. A while back ago, a Pinterest follower sent me these photos of these beautiful tulip lamps and asked if I would recreate one using my own unique style and on a friendlier budget. So I decided to create a table lamp. If you would like to find out what I created, just continue watching. To start off, I'll be using this 5-piece 3D reform. Next, I'll be using a wire cutter and I'll be cutting off any tabs that are sticking out. I'll have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Once I was done, I'll split one end. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll hold the ends together using white duct tape. Next, I'll hold the wire together and then I'll start straightening it up just a little bit and I'll start bending upwards the opposite end. Next, I'll start opening and shaping the wire until I'm satisfied with the shape. I made 4 in total. Next, I took all my pieces to a well-ventilated area and spray painted one coat of white. Next, I'll be using 2 packs of white toddler's pantyhose, and they come 2 in a pack for a set of 4. Next, I'll cut off the legs on the seam. Next, I'll take the 7x18 wire petal and I'll place it inside, and then I'll start pulling the nylon fabric very gently. And for FYI, if you have any hang nails or long nails, you may snag the fabric. Once I was done, I'll pull the fabric and then I'll start wrapping each end in the opposite direction, holding it together with hot glue. For the remainder of this DIY, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. And if you notice, I did not add duct tape on the ends, so I'll have a flexibility because these will be the petals they'll be facing out. Next, I'll be using clear school glue and a paintbrush, and I'll start applying it on the bottom side of the petal, and then I'll spread it out using the paintbrush. Next, I'll be applying clear crushed glass, and I'll have this brand of crushed glass linked below. Once I was done applying the crushed glass, I'll use the clear school glue to saturate well for a better hold. For extra shimmering, I'll be sprinkling fine metallic silver glitter. While I'll let the petals dry, I'll be making the base using three 5-inch round styrofoams. Next, I'll be using this 6-inch mirror, and I'll glue the styrofoam on top. Next, I'll be using this trimming that I had left over from my previous project, and it's foam board covered with mirror reflection paper, and I'll have that video linked below. Next, I'll apply a generous amount of hot glue, and I'll wrap it around the styrofoam. Next, I'll start placing my large petals inside the styrofoam, and I'll push them down gently. I'll be repeating the same steps with the next two petals. Next, I'll be repeating the same steps with the 5x10 petals, and I'll open the bottoms up, and then I'll push them in between the spaces on the outer edges. I'll repeat the same steps with the rest of the petals going around. And for lighting, I added one remote LED touch light in the center. I also added crushed glass on the top edges of the base. And here's the finished look. I really do love the way this lamp turned out. And all the shimmer and all the crushed glass makes it a beautiful piece for any room in your home. Who would have ever thought you could take adults or toddler pantyhose and turn them into a beautiful home decor? And let's not forget the beautiful lighting that will bring into that special room in your home. Here is the request and mine side by side. Let me know in the comments below on which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY request as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. I'll see you on my next DIY upload.